Wow! Magaling ka! Magaling ka! Sabi ko sa nini ko dyan, ay, mega yan! Pamaya yan! Hello, hello, hello! This is Bridget Stones, your favorite. Naganda-gandahan ng taan. And today is super morning with our, balik uniform na si sister. At chubby ko. Sena!
Pakita mo yung chan.
Today, ang ganap namin is presentation. Ay, turo, teacher ang atake niya. Teacher Bridget. Yeah! Ng Bridget. Yeah! Sa kakatawa. Hindi nakakatawa yun.
Tuturuan mo sila na
Strategy.
ng
Pagbabasa.
Saan? Sa?
Sandok. Hindi. O basta, various types of strategies na pwede nilang ma-adopt. Yun.
Para sa?
Kinabukasan mo.
Dahil ang
Kabataan.
ay
Pag-asa.
ng
Bayan.
yes.
Nakakatawa. Encantadia Passer. Nakakatawa. Exam. Balitaan ko na lang kayo guys. Surrender na namin cellphone. Hello guys. So ayun. Yari na ang aming examination sa may isang subject. And I think maganda naman ng result. Result? Nakakatawa.
Nakatawa ka.
Nakakatawa ka. Tapos next is, we will be teaching na, ito na yung sinabi ko sa inyo, we will be teaching the, students. Ayan na, ready na si Teacher Bridget. Yes! Nakakatawa. Okay, class, Pepe! Wala ka ganun. Sorry, no? Perfect for any sabi naman. Good morning, dear students. Reading strategies. Are you ready? Hindi kayo na-practice. Hey, Pepe! Okay, that's good. I want an active engagement on this discussion. Please do your best on answering the questions and of course, please listen actively. Thank you.
So yung mga kasagot yan, makakatanggap ng
Closing package.
Floating?
Floating.
Floating?
Closing package.
tupad.
Floating
Grab food.
Please do your best on analyzing. Okay, you find the missing letters. Abindo ka lugar na? Okay.
Dito ka pala.
Any ideas? Please raise your hands.
Ito yung ano niya.
I'll just give your one
Ito
guess.
yung clue niya.
Okay, nagkan doon. Ano ba yung ganyan? Please stand up, Mr. Camildo. Yes!
Kahawig ka.
Okay, wait.
Closing package.
You will win a prize of sabi ko sa nini ko dyan. Okay. So, thank you for guessing. Ayan. Ganun lang. So, active, kayo ha, engagement. So, predicting po ang first strategy natin i-discuss. Okay, go. So, please, cadence, and please. Miss Parunga, please stand up and please read. Miss Parunga, please stand up and read this. Yes, thank you. Okay, thank you so much. Please sit down po. Ayan. So, predict for in first strategy. So, ito yung once na nabasa natin yung, for example, is the title. Nagpe-predict na tayo ng outcome or ng conclusion sa isang story. Kunyari, nakabasa tayo ng, please Next slide. Ayan. For example, nabasa nyo ang The Three Little Pigs sa pinaka first page or sa pinaka front book ng isang cover page ng textbook. Ayan. Mr. Gamboa, please stand up. Ayan. Ayan, as part of the predicting strategies, ano ang unang mo may isip once you have read The Three Little Pigs na cover page? Oo. Just your guess. Ayan. Wow! Magaling ka! Magaling ka! Sige. Tama. Ang galing. Ayan. Predicting strategies is nag-aano na tayo sa utak natin. Kumbaga, nag-analyze na tayo automatically na kung ano pwede mangyari in the end of the story. Or let's just say that this is our conclusion sa sarili natin. Even hindi pa natin siya nababasa ng book. Sure ba natin? Weh! So ba yan? O, hep. Okay, sure na ha. Okay, next slide.
Ayan. So for our second strategy, next prize. For the prize is perfume package.
We are on the pit na may yayari na kami, mahusay. We are doing so good naman. Ano po ba yung mga papanalo natin dyan?
Grocery package.
Ano grocery package yan? Ang dami naman, te. Kaya isa pa. Ayoko last na. Ito last to, wag mo tayo sama. Ano?
Para sila nanalo dyan pag pati yung wallet ko.
This is our last strategy, right? So please, ang mga kakasagot nitong missing letters natin ay mananalo na. Una, A, 10. Ako nga walang bahay eh. Grocery package. Good for 1 week. Good for 1 week. Real, good for 1 week. Okay, please stand up. Summarizing is tama ka. Thank you so much. Please come here. Ayan, as you are going to receive your pangkabuhayan package. Grocery package. Very good for 1 week to legit. Kunin mo isa-isa ha. Huwag mo titignan. Oo. Okay, kunin mo yung isa. Ay, mega yan! Pamaya yan! Dami mo ba? Paano ba di ba sa ganito niyan? Okay. Yes! Picture muna tayo. Picture.
Picture kaya.
Ayan, good for 1 week mga 3 ibla lang kada kain na. Thank you so much for your answer. Ayan. Guys, these 6 strategies, pwede nyo itong i-adapt kasi magagamit nyo to all throughout your academic journey and of course, in the outside world. Kaya, kailangan, yes. Ano to, PBB? Hindi, kailangan nyo talaga siya. So, this is very much vital in our learning kasi, yes,
Parang ang chat GPT ah.
sakto lang. Hindi, kasi kailangan talaga natin siya. Magagamit natin itong strategies na to all throughout nga dun sa may academics natin. Lalo na sa mga pagbabasa nyo ng mga sa minor subjects, yung madami yan. Be ready. Questions? Clarifications? None? Hep. Okay, any questions? None? Okay, please, we will be inviting you in front. So, let's take a picture first. Ay, hindi kami na lang. Kami na maganda. Okay. Thank you so much. Yan, ito pa pala guys, kasi meron tayong choice award. Meron kayong choice award dito. So, ang mananalo, dahil choice ko to, ayan, mananalo kayo na Ladies' Choice. Yes.
Para maranasan
naman. Mananalo dito na. Congratulations, napili ka na.
Kamayan mo siya.
Congratulations, best. Ayun. Yeah, thank you so much guys for your listening.
Let me hear ya.
Sabi ko sa sarili ko dyan.
Looking fine, yeah.